I am Kushagra Bora, welcoming you in Abhisha Travel Vlogs. Right now, we have departed from Jalgaon, Maharashtra. In part 1, you have seen that how we reached from Okha to Jalgaon. Now, in part 2, which is concluding also from Jalgaon till Madurai, our destination. Jalgaon is a big city of Maharashtra state and is also linked with Mumbai Howrah main line. Right now, the platform is empty. You can see it is 7 p.m. only. Because of winter season, darkness has fallen earlier. The day becomes very short and night very long. These lights suggest that, yes, one train is overtaking us. Overtake means running in the same direction. So, this train is overtaking us. Maybe some premium category train. Our train is a special category train. Well, we have reached Bhusawal Junction. In real sense, it's a big railway station, and with many trains arrives here and departs from here. It has a local facility also. Local train plies from here to Mumbai and other destinations. You can see there is one railway line only, and either side is platform. Local trains come here and passengers, they board the train on both sides. It suggests that the rush of passengers, this blue and white color rack is the local train, is that of a local train. This type of local train plies between Mumbai and Bhusawal. Well, right now we have reached Nizamabad. Nizamabad is in Telangana and is a very key railway station. From here, one can go to north, one can go towards other southern railway stations, one can go to west, like Mumbai, and also to east. It is a key railway station in Telangana, in South India. Well, we have departed from Nizamabad railway station. This is the platform of Nizamabad. Well, its time is morning. Whole night I slept. This is morning about 7 o'clock. And the first railway station in the morning today is Nizamabad. Very beautiful garden you can see. This railway station is a beauty in itself. This station was built in 1905 by Nizam of Hyderabad for Nizam Railway. Later, today it is in Indian Railways. See how beautiful the garden is. in the back. Earlier in South India there were four states, but now one more, Telangana, a split of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, I'm sipping my tea, morning tea, and seeing some railway station here. I don't know which railway station we are passing. Can you read? Some vendors have arrived in the inside the train. As you know that we left Okha and we are heading towards Madurai. That is, Okha is in Gujarat state, but on northwestern coast of Arabian Sea, and Madurai is on southeastern coast of Bay of Bengal, very near. So we are, in a sense, connecting Arabian Sea to Bay of Bengal, or west coast of India to east coast of India. It's a 3,000 kilometer long journey, and we are right now reaching Kama Reddy. Kama Reddy is a railway station here, and we are now departing from Kama Reddy. Morning is pleasant. I had my breakfast also, but still I am feeling somewhat hungry because of South Indian dishes are very delicious. You see here railway platform arc. These arches are meant for laying the sheets, roof sheets of the platform, Kama Reddy. I have taken now from one vendor idli, etc. You see, here vendors supply you idli and vada etc. in a bag like this to maintain the temperature inside. Idlis are really hot. See, yes, these are the idlis. Very, yes, it is quite hot. And this one is vada, medu vada. This is called medu vada. Seems very crispy. Yes, both are hot and crispy. And in that plastic bag is chutney, coconut chutney. I have always found it very, very nice to eat. Tasty one. Okay, you can see the condition of our coach, almost empty like. But people say that from Kacheguda onwards, this coach will get again occupied. Well, right now I am seeing some developmental work going on. Our Indian Railways has taken up some developmental work like extension of railway lines, doubling of railway lines, upgrading railway stations in a very big way all over India, not only here in South India, but all over India. I am seeing for last 2 years I had been to Pathankot in north. I had been to, of course, in my own state, Gujarat. Ahmedabad is under very big developmental work. Ahmedabad railway station will become model of railway stations. Well, I think we are reaching Kacheguda. Yes, it is. It is Kacheguda. Kacheguda is a railway station built in 1916 by Nizam, and in a unique manner. The architect has designed it in such a way that it has Mughal style gumbad, as well as inside also. Here this one is construction not by roof sheet but of cement. It's a white and blue combination of color. The building looks very beautiful. It's a beauty of its own. This is the platform number one of Kacheguda. Our train has arrived on platform number two. Yes, this is platform number two. Many people have boarded our train. I remember Kacheguda years ago when I visited this place. One train I remember, push pull train, where on either side of engine two coaches each, and that train was used mainly for children of school going children or college going children from Hyderabad to Mehbubnagar and so on. Kacheguda is nothing but a part of Hyderabad, Telangana. Hyderabad, Sikandrabad, Begumpet, Lingampet, and Mehbubnagar, etc., are within 10 to 20 kilometers area, suburbs of Hyderabad. This one is a local train. It runs between Mehbubnagar and Kacheguda and so forth, Hyderabad, etc. Begumpet is having Hyderabad's airport also. Yes, Hyderabad airport is in Begumpet. Begumpet is on another side of Mumbai Sikandarabad railway line. This is on southern side towards Mehbubnagar, Kacheguda, but is a very important railway station. जैसे काचेगुड़ा है वैसे बॉम्बे की ओर से आने वाली ट्रेनों के लिए बेगमपेट वेल काचेगुड़ा बेगमपेट से सीधे सिकंदराबाद भी जाया जा सकता है you can see has a uniqueness. All structures are painted with white color. The majority is of white color because of tremendous heat conditions. This area has hot atmosphere. See here, all are white colored buildings. This white color reflects all hot rays of sun. This is a very hot area. You feel heat. This is a local train passing through. Well, we have reached Mehboob Nagar. This one is also a part of Hyderabad. This is in Telangana. Mehboob Nagar, Hyderabad, these are connected, well connected with local trains. Okay, let me see how the water is. Yes, water is good. Okay, you can drink this railway station water. Tap water it is, rather, I should say. In India, we have all railway stations equipped now with tap water and potable water, rather. Yes, these tap waters are potable and good to drink. There is nothing wrong in it. Though we have now bottles of water bottles are also available. Okay, our train is about to this is 1:30 in the afternoon. Okay, we have departed from Mehboob Nagar. See, this is how we spend our time. White color on buildings. This area has now developmental work. Now, this one is for some additional railway line or for some road. I don't understand what for it is. But let us see what comes next. Oh, this one is the railway line. The developmental work is for some new railway station, new railway platform is coming up. Some railway line is coming up, and here we can see, oh, this is the viaduct, and this one is the railway platform. See, this is the foot-over bridge structure, iron structure of foot-over bridge. This is the crane. Crane. Yes, we are seeing a crane. Oh goodness! So the some new railway station is coming up over here. A new platform. One thing I have marked that our train is very slow. It moves very slow, slow, slow. Okay. Well, we are now moving. Time is also running out fast. It's now evening, almost evening. We have reached Gadwal. This railway station name is Gadwal, not Gadwal. It is Gadwal. Platform has there may be construct. There is some new construction is coming up for the roof of platform. Gadwal, yes, it is Gadwal. Oh, one train is crossing. It's almost evening now. The sun is now going to set. We have reached and now departed also from Kurnool city. Kurnool city. Yes, this is Kurnool city. Well, beautiful evening here in Kurnool city. Quite peaceful city it looks like. Oh, same traffic. It passes under our train track. Well,
ये क्या चीज हो सकती
This
है होंगे
looks
कोई
as if
कैनाल बना करके रखी है
some canal is there.
वैसे
Though there is one railway station named Kodai Canal, but that is 30 kilometers away from here. This is Kudal Nagar railway station. Our train is
कैनाल यहाँ से करीब 30 किलोमीटर
has a halt over here for half an hour. For last half an hour we are here. This is the morning. Yes, last night I slept after Kurnool city. This is Amrit saffron color Vande Bharat. It suggests that now we are very near to Madurai junction. Yes,
11:40
so we have reached Madurai junction.
हम लोग पहुंचे हैं
Our
11
compartment is empty.
40
This mirrors the whole train is now empty. This is
पूरी ट्रेन तो क्या
we have reached Madurai junction
दो चार लोग
at 11 o'clock. In a state